Niagara Falls, one of the most iconic natural wonders in the world, stands as a testament to the awe-inspiring power and beauty of nature. Located on the border between the United States and Canada, this magnificent waterfall has captured the imaginations of millions of visitors for centuries. In this article, we will delve into the history, geology, and significance of Niagara Falls, exploring the various facets that make it a must-visit destination for travelers from around the globe. The origins of Niagara Falls can be traced back to the last ice age. Around 10,000 years ago, massive glaciers advanced and retreated, sculpting the distinctive geological features that define the falls today. The sheer force of water erosion created a breathtaking spectacle, and over time, the falls have receded, leaving behind a magnificent gorge. Three major waterfalls make up Niagara Falls: Horseshoe Falls, the largest and most famous, American Falls, and Bridal Veil Falls. Long before European settlers arrived in the region, indigenous peoples inhabited the land surrounding the falls. These native communities had deep cultural and spiritual connections to the area, with various tribes, such as the Haudenosaunee and Ojibwe, considering it a sacred site. Their stories and traditions continue to play an essential role in the history and preservation of Niagara Falls. It wasn't until the 17th century that European explorers like Father Louis Hennepin marveled at the beauty of Niagara Falls and introduced it to the wider world. Early accounts of these explorers sparked interest and curiosity, laying the foundation for the fall's growing reputation. The 19th and 20th centuries brought about a new chapter in the history of Niagara Falls. As industry and technology advanced, the falls became a focal point for harnessing hydroelectric power. The construction of hydroelectric power plants transformed the falls into a powerhouse for electrical energy, contributing significantly to the development of nearby cities. Niagara Falls has not only been a site of industrial innovation but also a stage for daring feats of courage and recklessness. Daredevils from around the world have attempted various stunts, including navigating the falls in barrels and other contraptions, sometimes with tragic outcomes. Their stories, while gripping, also serve as a reminder of the danger that lies within the fall's beauty. Today, Niagara Falls has evolved into a global tourist destination, drawing millions of visitors annually. The area surrounding the falls is teeming with hotels, restaurants, and a wide range of attractions, including the iconic Maid of the Mist boat tour, which offers visitors an up-close experience with the falls. The journey behind the falls experience provides an opportunity to see the thundering waters from a unique perspective. One of the most enchanting aspects of Niagara Falls is its nighttime illumination. The falls come alive with vibrant, multicolored lights, creating a surreal and captivating visual experience. It's a reminder that the fall's allure doesn't diminish when the sun goes down. Recognizing the importance of preserving this natural wonder, extensive efforts have been made to protect and conserve Niagara Falls and its surrounding ecosystems. Both the United States and Canada have taken measures to ensure that the fall's natural beauty endures for generations to come. Niagara Falls, with its incredible geological history, indigenous significance, industrial influence, and continuing status as a global tourist destination, remains an enduring testament to the grandeur and power of nature. Its timeless beauty continues to captivate the hearts and minds of people around the world. As we look to the future, the preservation and conservation efforts that protect Niagara Falls remind us of the importance of safeguarding our natural treasures and celebrating the splendor of our planet. This majestic spectacle, known as Niagara Falls, is a reminder of the magnificence that nature can offer.